Get ready for an unique Elish recipe, so watch till end.
Hello, welcome to my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So this is the Elish season. I will try a recipe with Elish or Hilsa. So that is a recipe which will be unique. Actually, long back when my mother was diagnosed with uric acid, so that time I thought to prepare Elish with cucumber. So that is the recipe is Elish in cucumber gravy. So just go through the recipe. Let's start with the recipe ingredient. What I have, that is Elish or Hilsa. So this is not a bigger one and even it's not a smaller one. So this is what I have, and this is MAIDA for binding. Sugar, that is optional, but we Bengali, at least I love sugar. So this is mustard oil. You have to prepare it in mustard oil. And then turmeric, and this is salt, and Kalonji or Kalo Zeera. And then this is dry red chili. And this is Kashmiri mirch powder, and this is dry coconut because I don't have the fresh coconut, that's why I'm using the dry coconut, and the star thing. So first thing first, before I start the marination, I have to slit this so that the spices will go inside because it's going to be a gravy cum roast. So I have to slit it. 3 is enough, and if you it's a small one, that's why I'm preparing with the whole fish. Otherwise you can, if it's a big one, you can cut it like this, and then you can prepare the recipe. And now this is the cucumber. Always taste the cucumber before you prepare something because it can be bitter, that's why you have to be very careful. So I will grate this in the grater. You all know how to grate it, but still I'm just showing it to you. So it will be like this. So once I'll grate it and I will come back. Let me show you the cucumber, one cucumber grate, and then this green chili is slitted. These are slitted, so I'll go for the marination. So first thing first, this is coconut powder. If you have the fresh coconut, then you can use it, the fresh coconut, but in that case you have to use the paste. Little bit of salt, and then Kashmiri red chili powder. Instead that you can use the normal red chili. And then this is turmeric, and then little bit of sugar because already coconut is sweet, and then MAIDA for the binding, and then mustard oil. Mix it properly, and if needed you can add little bit of water. This is a bit dry, so let me show you what sort of water I'm using. So cucumber has own water, so I'm using the cucumber water. Press it and you can have the water. So there will be a taste of cucumber also. Now I will marinate the fish with this, and I will keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes in a normal room temperature, not in the freezer. And once it's done, I'll be back. Now I will start the cooking, and first I have to add this mustard oil, generous amount of, and then I have to wait till it's heated. And now I have to add the Kalonji or Kalo Zeera and shukno lanka or dried chili, dried red chili basically. And then I will add this cucumber, grated cucumber. I have to cook it, and here I will add little bit of salt, not much because already in the fish I have added fish marination, added the salt. So I have to cook the cucumber till it's done. The cucumber is already soft, so at this stage I will add this marinated fish. So it will look like this, and I will add it carefully. And one more thing, Elish is a very soft fish and it will cook very quickly, so be careful. And now I have to put a lid and I have to wait till it's done one side. Let me check if it's done or not, the one side, then I have to flip another side. Yes, I can see it's almost done. Now very carefully I have to flip it, and in my opinion that is the crucial part, that flip the fish, because as I said it's a very soft fish. So yes, now flip the another side, and at this point of time I will add little bit of water. Here you go, because I want little bit of gravy, otherwise you cannot have it with rice. So little bit of water and cover it. And now let me check if it's done or not. Yes, it's done. In this recipe the flavor of the Elish is intact. I can smell the Elish flavor. So this is another recipe you can try apart from this Elish mache jhol, bhapa. So this is one of the recipe I actually try sometime. So I'll switch off the gas and drizzle little bit of mustard oil, and then kacha lonka. I don't want jhal. Now I tasted it, the salt is less, so in that case little bit of salt, and the last one little bit of sugar, that is my touch. So this is done, and I will keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, that is the resting time, and I will serve it with plain rice. So how do you enjoy the recipe? Just let me know that will you try it at home. Definitely it's my suggestion, try it at home. And for such kind of recipe you can go through Madhurima's Kitchen in Facebook, Instagram, and to place food order, of course you can go through Google and MaddyBee. Don't forget to check it. So I'm going to cover it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will do the final plating